Hi Rainbow Loomers! In this tutorial, we will learn how to make Frankie the Frog from our Loomigurumi project series. This is a beginner-level Loomigurumi project where you will also be making a matching bracelet. Using the tools in our Loomigurumi kit, we will first create Frankie's body, then we will loom and attach the eyes, attach the smile directly on Frankie, then loom and attach the legs and white belly. Lastly, we will make our matching bracelet. Let's quickly go over everything included in your kit. These are your Rainbow Loom Premium rubber bands in 3 different colors. Rainbow Loom Premium bands are longer lasting and are more durable than regular rubber bands. We would suggest using Rainbow Loom Premium bands for Loomigurumi projects and other bigger projects that you want to last for a longer time. Inside of your Loomi pack, you have a character card, a slip hook, eyes, a starter loom, a bag clip, 4 charms, stitch markers, and G-clips. This is your fluffy filling that you will stuff into Frankie. Keep it inside of the bag for now. Then these are your instructions. And lastly, this is your Loomigurumi hook. If you want to accessorize your hook, let's go over how to attach a charm on the back of your Loomigurumi hook using the G-clips. First, make sure that you leave at least 1 G-clip per charm and 1 more G-clip left over to close off your matching bracelet at the end. If you want your charm to be close to your hook, then you can place 1 G-clip on the back of your hook. And then, place your charm of choice onto the G-clip. Or, you can attach multiple G-clips together and make a longer chain. I'm turning one of the G-clips so that it's flat, and then attaching the other G-clip using its opening. You will repeat this for however long you want your chain to be. I will just be adding 1 more G-clip to my chain. Then, attach one of the G-clips to the back of your hook and attach a charm at the end of the chain. This is what your hook should look like when you're done.